explore the magical sound of letter M together. Making the M sound is easy peasy. Just put your lips together and let out a smooth sound like this. Now let us explore some words that have sound in it. Mango. Next is the magical moon. Do you remember that lullaby? Chanda mama dur ke. Monkey. Milk. And what is this? Do write the name of this picture in the comment box. Till now, we have uploaded so many letter sound videos. You can check them on YouTube, Instagram and Facebook. For more details on our phonics course for educators, you can check our website which is phonikwani.com. Also, you can buy worksheets